Ako na. Hi! I'm Mark Angelo B. Aquino, grade 5 SPED from Tuguegarao City. Okay, here are the tips for cleaning. Number 1. Let's go! Let's go!
I'm here.
Okay.
This. My leg.
I can't go in because he don't like to go in.
I'm the kite. Come on. This way. And this is my house.
Okay.
And this is my father.
Koy, kunin mo
And
yung
this
sinelas
is
ko
my
sa labas.
room.
Koy,
Wow, what a beautiful room.
kunin mo yung sinelas ko sa labas.
Ikaw na muna.
Hi. I'm back again. He is giving the slipper to my lolo or grandfather. He is full of gray hair, okay? He is back.
I'm late.
He is back.
And that's my garden.
Wow, what a beautiful garden.
And this gate.
Gate. Wow, gate. Okay, James, what are you going to do?
And this.
Okay, James is climbing. Oh my goodness! James!
What?
Tapos na. Ako na. Hi, it's my turn. This is my uncle.
Ako na.
Uncle Dennis. This is my Uncle Dennis. He is repairing his bike. Mega bike. He has
It's
his
so beautiful.
wires, chair, the brakes, and the pedal. Okay? There's so many parts in a bicycle, so I can't memorize it. Okay. This is our trash can.
Nothing is a crush.
Okay?
You like a juice?
Okay, here is the news now. America, storm here. In Canada, so sunny. South Africa, too hot, 100 degrees. Europe, too cold, -0. Asia, normal temperature only, cold with hot. Because there is a southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon, okay? Ikaw na. Ay, ko hindi palood. Yun nakikipag-away kasi. Oh my goodness, James! Oh. He's angry. My goodness, where is it? There is it. James is there. Fast. Okay, James is preparing his things because there is a test. Right? Okay, James. Write the date today. 7.
I know.
Write it like this. James, write it like this. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, check RX. English. I fight with... Sorry. That's wrong. I love my grandparents and parents. Check RX.
Wait.
Okay. Number 2.
It's this.
Number 4. I don't like to read my lessons. Sorry. I read my lessons every day. Check RX. Okay, number 6. 6 or 5?
5.
5. Okay. The president of Curacao is ugly. Check RX. Okay, James, it's Filipino time. Write the date today. Write the date today. That's English.
You are funny.
Ready?
Yes.
Number 1. Ang tunog ng aso ay arf, arf, arf. Number 2.
Sorry.
Ang tunog, number 2. James is 4/5. Oh my goodness. See? Correct answer is here is check. Okay? This is Filipino. Okay, James likes to say goodbye.
Goodbye, teachers. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Goodbye, James.